After you created a lookalike audience, it's time to take the next step and create an ad. So no matter what type of ad you want to create, whether you want to promote your content, your fan page, your products or services, or your squeeze page, it really doesn't matter. This section is the important one when it comes to using lookalike audiences in the targeting. So all that you have to do is just to click on this field here, on the custom audience field, and then just select a lookalike audience that you want to include in the ad targeting. Just select this one here. Great, that's basically all that you have to do. As you can see, there are some more targeting options. Again, forget about interest. Behaviors is also not that important. Something that could be interesting is the location. So if you say, the lookalike audience is already pretty specific. We're reaching out to people living in Germany, right? But you could say, that's not specific enough. I just want to reach out to people living in a certain city. You could say, I just want to reach out to people living in Berlin. Well, that's what you could do. But if there's no specific reason to narrow down your lookalike audience, then just don't do it. Same about age, right? The age group. Keep this pretty broad unless there's, again, a particular reason to just target a very specific age group. If you know that your buyers are only between 30 and 50 years old, if you know that's the age group that will buy from you, and the 18-year-olds just joined your fan page for fun, or just joined your email list for fun because they wanted to claim the freebie, but they will never become your customers, then just go ahead and narrow down this section to the age group that you want to target. And same about the gender, right? If you say my market is only geared towards men or women, the dating market is a classical example. Or let's say you want to promote a Zumba DVD and or a Zumba course. I've seen that on the TV. I guess not so many men are really doing that kind of stuff. So you probably just want to make sure to target women, right? At least that's the predominant market. So again, if there's a particular reason to specify the location or the age or the gender, then just go ahead and do that. Languages, again, is also not so important, and more demographics. I mean, if there's a specific reason to just target Facebook users who are in a relationship within that lookalike audience, then go ahead and do it. Or if you just want to target people who have a certain education, who have a certain degree, a master's degree, a bachelor's degree, do it. Or if you just want to target certain employees or people with a specific job title, you can do that as well. But this really narrows down your lookalike audience quite a lot. So you really have to have some solid customer data to narrow down your lookalike audience. This is something I wouldn't touch in like 99% of the cases. Again, short recap, just enter your lookalike audience here. Then, if really necessary, specify the location, age, and gender. And if really necessary, just specify your lookalike audience even more. But do that only if you have some specific data that, let's say, only men who are married convert, and the ones who are not married or just engaged do not convert at all, right? So that's how you create a lookalike audience, and that's how you integrate that lookalike audience into your campaigns and the ads that you create.